Hello, good morning, and welcome back to my channel. And I will try to speak in English because this video is just exclusive for my friends here in Cambodia who receive a makeup from me this new year. So I gave them this type of eyeshadow, one of this and one Maybelline lipstick. So guys, to all my Khmer friends, if you are listening, this is how you're gonna use this eyeshadow. If you're not into, if you're not really good in putting makeup, when you look at it, it's okay, four eyeshadows. What will I do first? Something like that. So I will teach you how to use this squad of Wet&Wild that you received from me. Alright, how are you? And today is my background is Side A, which is my favorite band in Manila. Actually today I really don't feel well. I don't. I have this tonsillitis. Anyway, I already primed my lid using my Urban Decay potion eye primer, and now I'm going to set it with a powder. And okay, I'm gonna use Studio Mac Fix Plus foundation. Anyway, if you want to set your primer, you don't need to use MAC or just a powder is okay. Any powder, Johnson's baby powder, pressed powder, any powder will do. After you set your eye primer with the powder, you can start using your eyeshadow. So the first color we're going to use, usually you won't get shocked how to use it because on the pan there's a stamp like for this one, transition, eyelid, brow, crease. So there's a stamp there saying where you're gonna put it. So for transition, it's over here. For lid, it's over here. For crease, it's the same thing, crease or outer V. And then for the brow is to highlight your under of your brow. I'm sorry for keep coughing. I really don't feel well right now, but you requested it, that's why I'm doing it. Anyway, let's start with the transition color, which is this color. Just get a blending fluffy brush. Any blending fluffy brush will do. Now I'm using ColourPop E2. And then put it on your lid, like so. There. And then, for the outer V, you can use the darker one here. I mean, the darkest shade. Just keep on blending until you get the desired color you want. Just keep on packing. Yeah. And for the lid, you can use your ring finger to put the lid color, this pink. I don't know, I think the one I give is green and the other one was purple. It all depends, but it's all the same shapes and sizes. The one I give it to you. So this light color here to your lid. So you can use your finger. Never use your finger to make your eyeshadow. It's a myth. It won't happen. You really need a brush, whether you like it or not, to blend it out. So, put it there. This eyeshadow is just giving you a subtle makeup look. It's not really like, hola, baba boom makeup. No, 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 no. It's just a subtle makeup. If you're the type of person that you don't like to put so much makeup on your face, these eyeshadows are perfectly for you. Then try to blend it out. There. And then back to your brush and try to blend it again, the one here in the outer V. Blend it out. After you blend it out, get a smaller flat brush, something like this, and pack the white here and highlight the brow bone. And you can also highlight your inner corner. Then get your brush again, so you don't have any harsh line, because it's not really good to look at. Well blended eyeshadow is a good eyeshadow. There. That's how you're gonna use this type of eyeshadow. Alright, I'll just gonna do my other eye and I'll get back to you. And I'm back. So this is my eyeshadow looking like using this Wet and Wild quad. This okay. This quad called Sweet as Candy. So whatever you have, the green one or the purple one, is just the same procedure when you put it in your eye. Or on your eye, I'm sorry. And now, I'll just gonna do my complexion using, okay, the one you can buy also here in Cambodia is this 3 foundation. You can buy this in UCare. This is so cheap. You can choose any of these 3 foundation. It works well, like really well. It's good. It works like high end, guys. So if you don't have any foundation, you can prefer this one, or if you have a foundation that you usually use, you can also use that. And now I'm gonna do my complexion. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier primer. Here we go again. I put it in the lab. I'm still in love with you. I'm still in love with you. For now, for this 3, I'm gonna use this Rimmel Wake Me Up Anti-Fatigue with Vitamin C Foundation. Anyway, I'm just gonna finish my complexion and I'll get back to you after. You know, guys, makeup should not be that expensive, because there's a lot of makeup that works like high-end, like this one. So don't worry about it. Alright, I'll get back to you. And I'm back. And I'm gonna use this Maybelline lipstick like what I gave to you. Just spread it on your lips. There. And this is my complete look. Who would have thought that what's on your eye is just around $7? Right? So, for my foundation, like I've said, I use this Wake Me Up Rimmel. I use concealer, the Maybelline Age Rewind. And for the lipstick, it's just the same what I gave you from Maybelline. I'm sorry, I don't have drugstore blush. So, I use my Tarte blush. And I use my MAC mineralized powder for my bronzer. And for my highlighter, where is it? Oh yeah, for my highlighter, I use I Like Your Face ng Color Pop. And this is the final look. Guys, I hope you learned something, and if you have any question to all my Cambodian friends, you can call me, text me, message me, PM me, everything how you want to reach me. I'll be available for you. Guys, thank you. And yeah, by the way, all the products I use, you can all buy this in Aeon Mall or in UCare. These are all available here in Phnom Penh. So, except for the Tarte blush. I don't know if Tarte blush is available in Phnom Penh or Cambodia. Maybe. Who knows? Just try to do a little search. And the MAC mineralized powder, which I use for my bronzer. Actually, this is a powder, but I use it for my bronzer because the skin finish, I really love skin finish of MAC. So there. And there's a lot of drugstore makeup that you can use for bronzer, like Bourjois. Also, in Rimmel, they also have, and Max Factor, they have blushes, bronzer, but I didn't buy because I have mine. And, you know, I don't want to see my money deteriorate. Keep buying makeup that I won't gonna use. But those products are also good if you really want to have a flawless, perfect makeup. And what I did is just a office look, right? It's not too much. So, this one will stay until you go home. Right? Well, no, I was just kidding. So, yeah, that's it. Alright, friends. Thank you for watching me, and I hope you learned something. And that's all for today. I'm going to work now. That's it. Pansit. Thanks. Bye.